Hi, this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders. One of our students, he got placed recently. He will share some experience.
Hi, I'm VALLARASU. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I completed my degree in Tamil Nadu and I got B.TECH Information Technology and I got secured 89% in that. I joined PySpiders in the month of February 2025 and I opted full stack software testing courses and Python was taken by Keshav sir and manual testing has been taken by Pradeep Aldu sir and Niranjan sir and SQL was taken by Avinash sir. During boot camps I got good communications and during mock ratings I got know how the questions has been asked by the companies and how it will be happen. By gaining this much experience.
Okay, congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.